You're watching the Crypto Career channel, and today we are taking a look at Huobi and the 6th edition of PrimeVote. So in this video, we're going to go over an introduction to PrimeVote. What is it? How it all works. Also how the PrimeVote works with 2 stages, the groups, the finals, how to participate, and how you can actually earn prize rewards from doing all of this. But of course, before we get any further, we have our usual disclaimer here that nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please treat this strictly for educational purposes. So, first off, about Huobi. Huobi is one of the largest digital asset exchanges in the world with a cumulative trading volume of over $30 trillion and a flawless security record since 2013. Huobi serves millions of users across international markets. Currently, there are more than 500 plus digital assets linked on the platform. So, PrimeVote. What is PrimeVote? PrimeVote serves to empower Huobi users with listing rights to vote for their favorite project. Huobi users can earn chances to vote by rockets and participate during the voting period. The number of rockets will be calculated based on a 30-day average asset balance in your Huobi account. So 1 USDT value is 1 rocket/vote. For example, if you have a 30-day average of $100, you'll be rewarded with 100 rockets to vote. For innovative digital assets, this is an excellent opportunity to showcase their projects. The first place winner with the highest votes will be eligible to list its token on Huobi for trading. So the competition rules. There is a group phase and then the finals. So there's 2 groups, Group A and Group B. The top 2 winners from each group will then advance to the final. And then there's 2 finals. The winners for each group will compete in the final round. Project votes will reset and start at 0, and users' vote will be reinstated so you can vote again. So you get a vote for your favorite project in the group phase, and then you get to vote out of the finals. And of course, the finals, the winning project with the most number of rockets will be listed on a Huobi exchange. And also the community that voted for this project will share a prize pool of up to $300,000. So how do you actually sign up and how does all of this work? So the project registration period, all projects are welcome to join. You need to sign up if you were a project, and the eligibility requirements, they need to commit to the event prize pool based on proportion of votes, and Huobi will evaluate all of the projects. So there's a warm-up period, the group phase final, rewards distribution, and then open and spot trading. And here is the main thing. We have an initial announcement, the event period. So the sharing period is actually in progress, the 20th of June to the 26th. And the preliminary voting goes live on the 26th of June until the 28th. And then the finals will be the 28th and the 30th of June. So now let's see how you can participate in PrimeVote. So first, of course, you do need to sign up for a Huobi account if you do not already have one. And then next, you come to the PrimeVote page. Again, this is linked down below, and it is also linked on the Huobi social media channels. So vote to list your desired tokens with huge reward. Again, this prize pool can be up to $300,000. And we can see the voting starts in just over 4 days at the time of recording this. And of course, that's taken me to Huobi Exchange. So all of this will be linked down below. But also, you can actually participate in some of the quizzes to get airdrops for rewards. So this one here, PrimeVote quiz contest launch. There's a $2,000 prize pool shared. You need to follow Huobi and Huobi community, retweet and tag 2 friends plus comment Huobi, and click to answer the quiz questions down below. Again, please make sure if you are doing any tweets, you tag Huobi Global and Huobi community. Also, there is an official Telegram, and you want to use the hashtags Huobi and hashtag PrimeVote. Also, there is another way you can earn. There is a Huobi PrimeVote $1,000 giveaway. Vote to list your token. You, of course, need to just follow the community, retweet and like and tag some friends, and comment hashtag Huobi, and of course, fill out a form. So make sure you do check out Huobi's social media. I'm sure you guys already know and might even already follow them, but PrimeVote contest is very, very interesting stuff here. So next up, we're going to have a look at the PrimeVote is live. So dear Huobi users, Huobi has launched its 6th round of PrimeVote with brand new feature, the Huobi Rockets. With Rockets, you have votes to participate on the PrimeVote events to get your favorite project listed, and the one with the most votes will be eligible for trading. So if we hit go now, it of course takes you straight to the voting page. This again is in the preliminary votes, but you will be able to vote here, and we can of course see all of the different projects that are in Group A and Group B. We of course have the event schedule here, but we'll go back to this. Here we can see the shortlisted projects, all of the project names with their specific websites, so you can take a look at the projects, of course, before voting if you aren't sure about some of them. We have the event period, again, voting from the 26th to 28th for groups, and then finals on the 28th to 30th. Again, we kind of went through the voting rules already, that one rocket equals one vote. It's based on your average balance on Huobi over the past 30 days. Once you've voted for the group stage, votes are refunded, and then you can re-vote again in the final. So we can see, and each participant can have a max of 10 million votes if you have that much in your Huobi account. So lead voters and followers, participants are free to vote at any time. At the same time, you can be a lead vote or a follower. Each participant is supposed to follow one lead voter, only becoming a follower. If you become a follower, you can delegate your votes to the lead voter. Lead voter can have multiple followers. During the voting period, their personal votes will cast first, followed by votes delegated by their followers based on the followers' delegation time. If a lead voter does not vote for a winning project, their followers will not be eligible to share the prize pool. So the rewards. Users who vote on the winning project will be eligible to share the prize pool. The prize pool in the event is sponsored by the winning project. Winners can split the prize pool based on the proportion of their votes to the total votes, which means, of course, the more you vote for that one project, if it does win, the more you will receive. So it is just a direct split of the votes. Each reward winner can get a maximum of 50,000 USDT. If any winners are eligible to get more than that, the excess will be recalculated based on contributions. So you can win up to $50,000 from the share of that $300,000 prize pool. So extra vote rules. You can get extra votes during referring friend and stuff on Twitter. Participants have the opportunity to get extra votes through both stages, and the calculation will be the day before the preliminary voting. So you have a short time to try and get these extra votes in. But yeah, refer friends. All projects can use Huobi accounts to make referrals and provide account ID for inviting users. The staff will collect referral data based on project UID. Please ensure that the provided UID is accurate and free of errors. Each project can only use one Huobi account for referrals. Project can log on to the Huobi official website or app and use the referral feature to invite friends. For each valid referral, a project will receive 10,000 votes. Each project can make up to 1,000 referrals to earn additional votes. Valid referrals should meet the following requirements. You need to sign up to Huobi with a level 1 KYC, have deposits above 100 USDT. And of course, you can gain extra votes on Twitter by sharing the event and using the hashtags #PrimeVote and Huobi. And additional votes but earned for each project will be calculated using a formula. So T's and C's, you need level 1 KYC, and Huobi has the final decision on all aspects of the event. But very exciting stuff here. PrimeVote, the 6th time this has been running. Make sure to check out all of the links down below and make sure to get your vote in. It does go live on the 26th of June. And yeah, you can win a share of $300,000. And of course, those two activities with a $1,000 reward and a $2,000 quiz reward there. But I hope you have enjoyed this one. You've been watching the Crypto Career channel, and I'll see you in the next video.